So I am back. Ow! Anyways, hey guys, it's your girl Viola.
And it's the boy telling you not to eat from people because then the stuff like that in the kitchen.
That's not true. Yeah, but what the hell? Hey guys, it's your girl Viola.
And I'm Andre.
And we are back with another cooking video.
So in today's video, Tionia is gonna try her skill at baking for the first time.
It's not a skill.
Tionia's gonna try, or Tionia's gonna attempt to bake for the first time.
Alright, technically this is not my first time baking. I have done a I've done a bread pudding already, but that was like years ago.
Once again, Tionia is gonna attempt baking for the first time with actual stuff.
I am starting hard. I'm going hard, guys. For the first time, I'm gonna try to make the famous. I'm gonna try to make the famous Christmas cake or fruit cake, rum cake. Guys, I really hope this come out good because I'm done. Guys, so I was studying. Guys, I researched this, and before I start my baking, I must give a shout out to Tionia Style. She's one of our subscribers. She's Jamaican, and she also has a YouTube cooking channel. Maybe, yeah, she does other things on it, but it's mainly cooking. And Tionia, if you're watching this, I'm gonna follow your recipe.
After watching it for 5 to 8 times, she has mastered Tionia's recipe. She have written it.
Tionia, not Viola.
My bad. Tionia.
Yes.
Big up you.
So Tionia, big up yourself because I followed your technique from soaking the fruits to what I'm about to do. So
Tionia,
I hope I don't disappoint.
You're responsible for the amount of rum in my house.
What?
So big up you again. There's so much alcohol.
Oh yes, and there's no red label. Well, I couldn't find any, and she told us about this one, the Sperone Cremova, because you know the red label wine and the rum, it makes it popular, or it's one of the key ingredients.
Yeah.
So thanks for the tip, girl. I got this, and I also got the Ray and Nephew overproof rum. I'm gonna have to watch Andre because
that's 63%. You don't have to watch anything.
Joke.
That's dead.
Yes, guys. So guys, I'm nervous.
Tionia is ready, and where she falls short, I will try to assist. But I'm not very good at baking. I'm good at eating. So let's get this done. Rise, Tionia. Alright. Let's get into the video.
Alright. Guys, don't laugh. There is a first time for everything. So I watch her video, as Andre said. I watch it over and over. Forget the technique or whatever she used. So the first thing that I saw her did was she get 1 cup of butter. She make sure it's not cold. She make sure it's out of the fridge for a while, and 1 cup of brown sugar mix. Keep in mind, I'm not gonna bake a lot because it's just Andre and I. I'm gonna have 2 small baking things, guys. I have a different one, but I wouldn't mind if I just keep it within that limit. Anywho, guys, we're nervous. Okay, so the first thing I saw Tionia did was she got sugar, and guys, I don't really like this sugar because after watching it, I realized the consistency of the sugar she used was more refined. This one is more crystallized, but I'm gonna try and see if it can work. So she also used a different butter, but I'm just gonna go with this one, the margarine. So she used 1 cup. Guys, I ain't gonna lie, I hope this turn out good.
But babes, I like butter that.
Yeah, 1 cup of butter. And she said you can use 1.5 depending on if you really like butter.
High cholesterol. Tionia, why are you trembling?
Because I'm nervous. You're trembling?
Yeah.
Guys,
it's alright,
because we don't want to turn up.
It's good.
You can show me up.
Alright.
Alright, so guys, now I'm going to add my 1 cup of brown sugar. Add it to the butter. Is it showing?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add it to the butter. Yeah. Let's start low.
Are you okay?
So
Come over
the
this side, let me see.
Alright, so I think I must put it in first. Guys, me never used one of these before. So I'm nervous. Like, what if the sugar and everything splash out? Alright, it won't happen. It won't happen. It's not gonna happen today. That's not gonna happen. Okay. Alright. Do this until it gets creamy.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it feels so professional. Hey, I feel nice. I feel like we're professional now. Hey, nobody can tell me say me a big way kind of. Hey, look at
Days later.
So guys, I know my role. My role is to hold the camera. My role is to ensure that this kitchen is clean.
your role is to
My role is to say, go you Tionia, you're
Yes.
awesome, let's do this.
cheer me on. Be my cheerleader.
Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna use 6 eggs. So I'm gonna crack 6 eggs now. And I'm also gonna take out the Jamaican people call it the egg yai.
The what?
The yai, the
You mean-
white thing. So guys, so that's the eye,
People in the comment, what is she talking about?
the egg yai.
No idea.
So you do it one by one. It's important to do it one by one, guys, because what if one of the eggs spoil
So,
and you put the bad egg in the bowl?
according to Tiola's notes, step 3, remove egg yai.
Guys, I actually wrote that.
How much of this do you need?
Look at the focus, guys.
I'm just trying not to cut
Andrea,
myself.
focus. Andrea is so focused. Just blend the entire
Because this is a
thing.
very hard job. It's a very important job. And I have to do it properly.
Which part is hard, babe?
It's very hard. You have to realize that there's no small job. Without me doing this, the cake would not be the same.
Alright, let's add the vanilla. Guys, I don't know if I'm doing it right, but anyways, I forgot. Alright, so 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Where's
Bam!
the measuring cups? Oh,
Over there, but they don't have teaspoons. So.
okay.
Guys, I bought some measuring cups, but they don't have it in teaspoon. So you can put it over there.
So we're done with this
What
for
was
today?
that?
Vanilla.
Okay.
So we're done with this?
I almost have a mini heart attack because I had 2 vanilla. I'm like, wait, so what was that? Anyways. We're good over here.
Okay.
Alright.
So
So
we're-
we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Guys, rose water smells nice.
What's the purpose of rose water?
It's a seasoning, like not a seasoning, it's a spice, like almond and stuff.
Oh.
Guys, I don't have the almond extract.
Can put this
Today.
in the diffuser, I guess.
Yeah, so alright. So remove the egg white. We did that. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice plus the zest. We did that. You know what? Let's add all the zest. Too much zest can be too bad, right?
Yes, it can be too bad.
Guys, I'll let you know if it's sour when you're done. Mix it up. Hey, Guys, look at this. Pay attention to this professional job. You see? All the ingredients combined. Oh my gosh, look at that. Right. Alright, babe, what we do next?
You mix after you mix it, you set it aside.
You set it aside, what my husband say.
And then 2 cups of flour
2 cups of flour. Oh, I remember.
plus half tablespoon of salt.
Guys, this is hard job. This is so hard. I don't know what, guys, I don't remember right. I don't know if you add the flour to this mixture or you add the lemon juice to this. Guys, you know what? Let's just add the lemon to this because, yeah, let's add this to this.
According to the instruction, it says set it aside.
You're gonna add it to this.
Okay, okay, do you?
Put it in first, Andre.
Like this? Put it in?
Yes.
Like this?
I will put it on one. Dora, put it on Andre. Alright.
Little by little, it's flashing.
Enough, listen to me instruction. Me I said don't know you do it tomorrow. Andre give me a panic attack.
Work is done.
Alright, so guys, now what I saw her did was she's gonna add the dry ingredients to this, right? Alrighty. So what she did was she added 2 cups of flour, which I already have here. 2 cups of flour. So I'm gonna add it like so, like that. Oh, actually I saw her. Let me tell you. So you add 2 cups of flour, and then you're gonna add how much? The allspice, 1 teaspoon. So I need a teaspoon, babe. 1 teaspoon of allspice. Make sure it's dry because we stick up on the ingredient. Make sure it's dry, guys. So 1 teaspoon of allspice. That when Andrea blending something a while ago, guys, I'm not lying. Start panic. I don't know why.
Is that perfect? We did all the whole thing?
Yeah. Anyways, 1 teaspoon of allspice.
Are you done with this?
Yes, I'm done with that. And then you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Guys, let me know like what I see somebody use water crackers and
No.
bread crackers. It can, because the thing is, you know, guys, everybody have their own unique way. Oh, by the way, guys, I prefer the pudding texture cake.
Same.
So you know the refined one,
I don't want it to be like really wet pudding. It's more like it's still a bit like bready but sticky in some places.
it's supposed to be moist. Once it's moist, but I prefer the pudding texture. I don't like when it's too refined, and like when you eat it, you're supposed to want more and more and more.
What's that you're adding?
So oh guys, so this is nutmeg. This is 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I don't think I show you guys the first ingredients, but yeah, that's about a teaspoon. A little bit more. Alright, because I don't think I got the.
You know, called spirit told
Wait, hold on.
You know this salt.
Did I finish?
Half teaspoon of salt.
And then cinnamon. Guys, I think I have cinnamon, but I don't know where it is.
Where?
Let's add the half teaspoon of salt in the meantime while Andre gets the cinnamon. I think it's in the pantry. So half teaspoon of salt. Look at me going on like I know how to bake. Alright,
Good.
so that's the cinnamon. All of it, let's dash it in there.
Nope. Because you sprinkled some.
Okay. Alright. So now I'm gonna sieve, and when you sieve the flour, guys, it actually helps to put air in the
So
why you wanna leave me alone?
what she's saying, that's how bakers bake, but it just sounds ridiculous to me.
Because me I said that?
No, it's just weird. Put air in.
Yeah, it puts air, it makes it fluffy, it makes it have more
I'm not a
texture.
baker. Do you?
Whatever. Alright guys, so that's the particles left over.
And we done?
So now guys, I'm going to use my spatula, whatever this thing is called, and mix and cut. Guys, so there's a technique that they use to mix the cake, and honestly I don't know it. So
Do you need help?
No, I'm saying that there's a technique that they use.
It's rise and flip.
And cut. You don't mix it. You cut and fold. Andres will do the mixing because he's a professional baker. Andres, stop playing!
I'm not playing. You
Why
said,
was the ingredient up in the sky?
because you said unfold.
No!
Pin and fold.
No!
That's what you said.
You fold and cut.
People, you're ready to steal us and beat me.
You fold
Did
and
tell that
because
you guys saw
Andres-
what you beat, right?
fold and cut.
The reason why
Guys, I ain't lying, but the ingredient cannot look right. Hey, you know some cake will come out good though. Alright.
you need help? You mix and fold. I'll pull this.
I think it's okay to add the fruit still, guys.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. That smells so good.
Miss Rumhead.
So guys, remember I didn't add any rum to soak my fruits. It was just wine, so I'm just gonna add more rum than wine because technically there's no rum, and not because I'm a rum head or anything like that. It's just because I didn't have any rum initially, right babe?
Rumhead.
No, we just never have no rum. Where you pour it? Wait, they're covering it. Guys, see, I'm not a rum head, or else I would know. Someday I come out, but alright, try. No! You can't waste the gem! You can't do that! No! Don't do that! Don't do that! This is Ray and his nephew. Don't waste it. Guys, when you pour it rum. Alright, so I think you screw this off. Close. Huh?
For your eyes. That's why I'm testing it
No,
over here.
but test it in this.
No, you can't test it
No.
in the can. I'm sure how much. Alright.
Test it in there.
Tell her it's a full bottle.
You get it? How you do it?
Let's squeeze the bottle.
Stop!
Test it in where? It is. It's a take it there.
Yeah, now I see the importance of a blender.
It broke.
Shit, what break?
Yes.
How? In an hour?
Slow.
Wait for break. I never do nothing. What am I using something fruits? We can't do it at that break. That means it's not good. Because you're not supposed to break because you have blend fruits. A fruit may have blend. That's stupid. Make up give them a bad review. Okay, so guys, while we were in the middle of blending the fruits together or pureeing it, as you saw, I didn't have a blender. I wasn't using a blender, guys, because I don't bake much and I don't really usually use a blender, so I didn't have one, but I had a smoothie maker or bullet, and that's what I was using to blend the fruits. And as you can see, it broke down in the middle of my baking. The fruit was the last thing that I needed to add, and it's broken. So guys, Andrea left to go to the supermarket to buy a new, or I told him to get a blender and done, because might as well, full time we get a blender and done, right? You need a blender in a household. So he went to Sobeys to get a blender for me, guys. But I must say, I don't know if, because it's been 14-15 minutes or almost 20 minutes since he's been gone, I don't know if the time span that you know, I don't know if it's gonna affect the texture or affect the cake, so I'm kind of worried. But in the meantime, guys, I must say kudos to my husband. He is so supportive, because I almost had a panic attack. Well, I had a mini anxiety attack because, you know, in the middle of me doing my cake and we were excited about doing it, the blender really broke down. But he stayed strong for me and he said that I can stay here and he'll just run and get it. Guys, I'm very thankful for my husband and I love him so much because he's so supportive and he's so calm. So while I'm over here like, oh my gosh, it broke down, da da da, he's like, I think it's gonna be okay, Taylor. I think it'll be alright. So babe, I love you. These are little things that I really adore you for. It doesn't have to be the biggest of things, but these are the little things that I really admire you for, and every day I'm thankful for you because this show our life. Like when we're doing something and there is some hurdles along the way, you know, you are the one that is always the stone, the rock in the relationship, because I'm like over here panicking and he reassures me, guys. So I'm just gonna add this in the video, but I just felt like I needed to say it because trust me, I'm just here reflecting. So hopefully guys, the cake will come out good. I pray it will come out good. But the blasted, alright, I ain't gonna cuss. It break. But anyways, guys,
I saved the day.
ta-da!
14 minutes. Rum head, Tionia. How you do, babe? You don't need to seal that.
So far so good. Oh,
Like, that's so thick it's not going anywhere.
thick man. Nah, like thick. I really hope guys that the
So the cake is like half dough and half fruits.
yeah, because it's supposed to be mainly fruits too, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the main ingredient. Oh, hey man, I'm not lying, guys. I'm too excited.
Taylor wants to show you guys the pan. So this is pan number 1. We call her pantry.
And I put
Pan number 2,
what that's something they call again?
panini.
Non-stick paper, that oil paper in it.
Yep.
Okay, so guys, you can add your browning in which you can add as much browning as you like, but I personally I don't like when the cake too black. Right, babe?
Yeah.
We don't like when it's too black, so I'm gonna add a little by little,
Little by
and then I'm gonna mix, and then I'll check again to see if the color is fine.
Yo, how a browning that still?
That's enough?
Of course that's enough. That cake I got black.
Oh,
You do 2 corks.
oh guys. No, Mrs. Something worried.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the butter is thick, so it's gonna be
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm feeling proud already, but I don't want to get too pumped up because I want to make sure I say rise. I want to make sure I say bake. So let's add this to the pan. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So you're supposed to leave space for the cake to actually rise, right?
Yeah.
So that's perfect.
I think that's good.
Man, guys, I feel nice. I feel so. That's why I must try new things, you know. Wow. Yes. Guys, put the hey, it feels so nice. Oh. And you're gonna let this bake for an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours, right? So it's already preheated.
Taylor's praying on the cake. Cake come true.
Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Like, despite all the challenges that we've been through, the cakes are in the oven, and it's just for it to come out good now. We really pray it come out, cause guys, if it come out good, next weekend we'll bake again, guys, because I have more fruits. Test it first. So I'm gonna use this juke it.
Juke it. Is that good?
Kinda look wettish, same way. Yeah, kinda wettish, guys. I think I can leave it in for a few more minutes.
Yeah. All right, guys, it's that time.
It's 6 o'clock. I gave it 10 more minutes because I tested it and it came out wet.
Wet.
So that's why I feel nervous now.
Taylor, you look sad. Be happy.
Yeah, because I expect say it's supposed to be dry. Like, it's not supposed to wet still.
All right, let's do this.
Where the cat?
He's far away.
Okay, guys, let's do this.
The color's nice though.
I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want it to burn. But for first try, guys, how it look? It looked pretty good. It looks pretty good. So next time I think maybe I need to get the batter a little bit more thicker. Maybe I should have added a little bit more flour or something to it. But I think it's looking pretty good. Little bit wet though. You can see that, guys. Little bit wet, but hopefully, like as it what you call it now, I'm gonna sprinkle some wine over it and see if when it cools, if it will come together better. But yeah, guys.
Wrap up. So guys, Taylor's a bit disappointed, but guess what? The cake there's nothing wrong with it. It's just that her expectation is more like it's big and fluffy, and it did not rise to the occasion.
It did rise, but it didn't, like, from I took it out of the oven, it just made.
Let us know in the comments how I did in my first time baking. I think I did pretty well.
How you did? Thanks for helping me to clean up, babe.
Yes, right? I did awesome. The kitchen is really clean. The plates are washed.
Now, guys.
And Taylor is gonna sleep until tomorrow.
That part.
Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. And if you haven't already, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Later.
All right.
Guys, it not feel so, what you call it now, dry as wet as before. It actually feels dry now. I think, as I said earlier, maybe the time did right. You see it? But mega wet it with some thing. Yeah, you feel like you're Andrea Solo. I did on a video when you're solo when you had a lady.
Solid.
Okay, guys. So this is how it came out. Yeah, you know, come out quite like how I want it to come out. How it look?
It looks okay. It looks more pudding-like though.
Yeah. Let's taste it. Ready?
Go ahead.
You want to taste it first?
No, I want to see. Yeah.
Guys, it tastes really, really good.
It does?
It tastes really nice.
Your expression was like...
No, because the consistency inside is not what I want.
Oh.
Guys, it tastes really good.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?